All right, I got the kid. I got a ThredUp Fun Box. Roll the intro and we'll get right into this video. Hey guys, I'm Kay and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and like I said in the intro, we got another ThredUp Fun Box. I have Liv here. Hi. To help me film them. I like doing these with her because they make the fun boxes way more fun. So let's open it up. It's about 10 items, usually a few more, and it's about $40 shipped to my house, so roughly $4 an item. And let's open her up and see what we got. This one is from Phoenix.
Again.
Yep, we just filmed another one from Phoenix. Open. Oh, the paper. Nice, unharmed, unstickered paper. All right, show the people what the box looks like inside, if you can. Okay, there's what the inside of the box looks like. Here's my receipt. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tights!
Every time we get tights and or socks. Where are those from?
Floral crochet tights from Cynthia Rowley. Ooh, so fancy.
Crochet's in right now. It's like trendy for spring 2022. All right, I'll go with this hideous pair of shoes. These are really light. There's no brand. They're a size 42. I'm gonna put my hand in there so you can kind of see the sandal. Yeah, it's just like foam. So I don't know how to market these, but if any of y'all want them before I probably donate them, just let me know.
Socks!
Yes! What do they say? Oh, it says a swear. Okay, don't put it on the camera too long. It says, not gonna lie, I just make S up. Ish. Make ish up. I'm gonna keep those. I like them. They are, not gonna lie, men's socks from Blue Q. They have an alligator eating somebody's legs as the logo, so I don't know. I like them. They're gonna be mine. Okay, I'll go this. These look like a package of headbands. Maybe I'll get lucky and they'll be Lululemons. That would be nice, wouldn't it? They are, yes. So one size, I have never found Lululemon headbands. Okay, so I've tried to show you the logo on the headbands twice already. But anyways, there's a light purple one, a darker purple one, and a green one. They're all Lululemon, one size. I've never found these in the wild before, and they're definitely new. There's no wear at all on the little tearaway tag, so I'm excited about these. I don't know if I'll list them or if I'll keep them, and maybe me and you will have one and we'll use them to work out and we'll look like we're from the 80s with these colors, but I don't know. I'm really excited about these. Your turn. Jammies?
Yeah, these look comfy. They feel nice.
Pants! Pajama pants. They're like pink striped with the blue piping and a blue drawstring.
Charter Club Intimates 2X.
Ooh, so that's a good size.
Ew.
Here, I'll cover my face. There we go. Yeah, so a great size, new with tags.
Yeah. $32.99.
Cool. So $33 pants. I don't know if they came in a set, but it looks like just the pants are in here. So either way, I'm sure we could still sell them. You want me to take this
yes.
one? Okay. It's a Brazos. This is from Pact, which is a sustainable clothing company, kind of similar to Everlane. I have seen this a few times in the thrift, but the price point was just never enough for me, like low enough for me to pick up. So I'm excited to see how this does. It's just like a little nude color bralette, and this is a size This is a size small, so it's made of organic cotton and 5% elastane, so a good fabric content. She always goes for the sunglasses. Ooh, Ray-Bans. Fancy. Oh, those are cute for you. Maybe you should keep those. No?
Maybe.
They're cute. Yeah, Ray-Bans. Do they have polarized lenses?
No.
No? All right, non-polarized, but still cool. So she may possibly keep those. If not, we could definitely sell them. And we can keep the bubbles. Oh. All right, I'm going for this guy. This looks like a reusable bag. Ooh, okay. This is a really good brand. I'm not sure what I can do with this bag, but it's Isabelle Marant Etoile. And it is, like I said, a large reusable tote. Like the strap is pretty large and the tote is large as well. So yeah, it doesn't look like it was ever used, and it doesn't have like any stains or anything like that. So I don't know if maybe they give these away when you purchase something, but yeah, I'm excited for that. If nothing else, I could use it when I go thrift store shopping.
More socks!
I thought that was gloves.
Oh, I lied. Gloves.
Unless they're toe socks. If you're not new here, this is how our fun box unboxings typically go. So this is normal. Gloves. They're like a sweater knit glove, it looks like. Where are they from?
100% cashmere.
Ooh, cashmere. Because it brings in the cash. You don't like my jokes,
Do
huh?
not see a brand anywhere. So.
Okay, no brand, but 100% cashmere. Do they feel? Yeah, they do feel like cashmere. So I don't know. I don't know how to sell these if they're not branded, but I'm sure I can squeeze a few bucks out of them, especially considering everything in here costs roughly $4. Okay, which one do you want? So I'll take the other one. You want that one? Okay. Okay, so this is New Tags A New Day from Target. It was $8, size small, and it is like a red, white, and blue stripe tank top.
Is that not orange?
There's orange too, but red and blue and orange. She told me. So it would be kind of cool for 4th of July, which just so happens to be my birthday. So I don't know, maybe if I can squeeze into this, I will keep it. But if not, I could probably get like $4 or $5 from it, or maybe throw it in a mystery box. I like to throw in at least one new tag item when I send my mystery boxes. And last but not least,
Michael Kors.
a wallet.
Can't see that.
Oh, they kind of can. It says Michael Kors. You just take our word for it. How's the condition on the outside? Does it look good?
It looks fine.
How about the corners? You gotta check the corners and make sure they're good. It says Michael Kors on the pull, so that's a good sign. It is a little bit worn on the zipper pull. The gold is kind of wearing off, but is there a dime in this one like there was in the other one? If you haven't watched our last Fun Box unboxing, I'll link it. It'll be over Livy's head. We got a Coach wallet and it had a dime in there. So
there's no diamonds.
Darn it. No free monies from ThredUp this time. Okay, so count them. That's one. The Lulu headbands will count as one piece, so that's 2. 3 for this Target tank top. 4 for the Ray-Bans. 5 for the gloves. 6 tights. Isabelle Marant bag. 7. 8. 8 for the pajama pants. 9 for these sandal things. 10 for the swear word socks. And 11 for the New Tag bra from Pact. So not bad. I'm happy with this box. What's your favorite item from this box?
The socks.
Yeah, I think mine is the Lululemon headbands, because I've never found those before, so that was exciting for me. And I've also never gotten Lululemon anything in a fun box even though I see a whole lot of people get Lululemon. So that was my favorite. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite item was, and if you enjoyed this video at any point in our Hot Mess Express, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And if you're not already subscribed,
do so now.
Yeah, what she said.
Please.
Please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here in this weird family that we share with you on the internet. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.